So I've reached Brandenburg Gate, and here it is, the Brandenburg Gate, the famous Brandenburg Gate. This must be Unter den Linden, and that far away is the Berlin TV tower. And wait, once more, Brandenburg Gate, Brandenburg Gate, Brandenburg Gate. Brandenburg Gate. Okay. They closed the streets because of the Berlin Marathon. Okay. This is the Brandenburg Gate from the other side. And when Danny and I were in Berlin years ago, this was the angle he took much further. He had the car parked on the side there, on the left side, and we walked here, set up the tripod, and he took a long exposure shot here. And the Reichstag is that building with the German flag, but the police said it's already closed. So this is the Reichstag, but unfortunately it's closed, and because of the Berlin Marathon today and tomorrow, there's gonna be chaos tomorrow as well. I better plan my other activities around the marathon, and hopefully, let's see, tomorrow Sunday, so Monday I should be free to tour Berlin, which is perfect because I have a Berlin tour scheduled for Monday. So behind that building is a dome, the Reichstag, but police said it's already closed. Oh well. And that's the Brandenburg Gate again. And you see finish line sign there. One marathon finished today, but tomorrow there's gonna be another freaking event, so I'm not sure what that is.